Iyagijima le Shandis le.
Sure. Yo, everybody asking me, you seen that lockdown cipher? And I just laugh and tell them, yeah, dog, but I'm not inspired. So if I pen it down because of pressure, it won't be fire. It must come from the heart, like I wrote it during the transplant. Before we go any further, shout out to graduates who were supposed to shine this yet, damn, I know you couldn't wait. So make them cool away, no good in push and pumelele. Salizis, I so good selling, no sasana pumapel. Back to these rappers who think that I've gone soft now. I'm so close, bro, to breaking records with this lockdown bars. I'm a conqueror, wait, hold up now. Isn't just a sick up, I know ngenazinye kuyakhonkoza siya write this type of verses sanzomrapha bangidisa bangizwini ngoba ngibafuna imali ukuze bangifeature ngazini ebenze basibone singamabuddies kade ungizonda yabuya inetwork susa so 5G get it corona vibes ngikhawulanisana ucasuba you think that you can walk with me usaqathula zongicasula wafuna ibits kumina wasikaguba oflopa sikutholela intombi enje izothola isibhaqula njengatheni ukurapha kuthina hlezi semandleni wena uyitfosa le rap ngoba ama-rap uhlezi ujama ela ngisena mess ngathi Barcelona engenalawonel ngimanager yaselebha wadi yimina ophasones murderers ovuka sibhedlela mawuzenza ugeneral mina ophethela usofte ngathi uthende pennygrass ngikhetha uscandalous indaba ngathi ntekela mina ngineflow enamabhaza shisa okudlula iketela wo basa sibhejela imfifilisi you pick a fight with me uthole lose njengosikilidi ngisiki mina ngirapha hard angifani nabo pikinini ngifakela ibafani